Alright, Pyros. I just wanted to give you a stash update while I had a chance. It's just a small little pickup. Plan on doing a demo of all these young Feng. You got some new ones here. You got Rolling Loud. To the Break of Dawn, yo. 49 shots. Of course, you know, I got these other ones. The older ones, High Stakes, Rewrap of the Burning Aces, Snake Bite. That's from about a year and a half ago. Obviously, you know, that's an older one. Here's another new one right here, One Piece. You got Wake Up the Neighbors. You got US fucking A. You got Star World. Look at that. Sick wrap. Got Mario on it. You got Gold Mode over here. You got Cross Faded. And you got Turtle Titan. And For the Boys. And this one For the Boys is real nice. Check that out. You get like a nice little old, looks like a Sandlot wrap. It's a real nice blue and gold. And then of course I was gonna demo some of these shells too, probably. And then of course don't forget about the Merc with the Mouth and the Banana Surprise. I plan on demoing a lot of stuff here soon. Just waiting for the weather to get nice and get some time when I'm not actually working all the time, which another thing I was real happy to get here recently was these Astro Boy shells. If you guys haven't seen these 5-inch willow shells, just check them out. They're very nice. Not really anything like it on the market for sure. If you like the content, please like, comment, and subscribe. As you can see, I had to move some stuff around.